Fermilab is a world leader in neutrino physics. To produce neutrinos, Fermilab accelerators generate a 120 billion electron volt proton beam, directing it to a graphite target in what is known as the NUMMI facility. When the beam strikes the target, the interaction produces secondary particles called pions that eventually decay into neutrinos. Experts use a pair of instruments called parabolic horns to magnetically focus the pions prior to their decay into neutrinos. This video documents the replacement, removal, and storage of a focusing horn called PH202 and the installation of its successor, PH204. The cartoon below represents the process of neutrino production at the NUMMI facility. PH202 was installed in 2008 and focused more than 128 million pulses of beam before being replaced in 2020. This is a picture of PH202 after removal from the target pile chase. NUMMI horns pulse 200,000 amps of electric current every 1.2 seconds. The horns in the NUMMI facility work in a tough environment. Temperatures exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit and the atmosphere is caustic. Over years of service, they reach end of life and must be removed. All the material moves shown here are achieved via remote control cranes and video cameras.